Please subscribe, and click the notification bell to see the latest properties for sale in Jamaica. Take a look at this majestic area of land. It is perfectly nestled in the cool hills of Spicy Grove, in Jamaica's Garden Parish of St. Anne. The land spans an area of 2.38 acres, and boasts a phenomenal, unobstructed view of the gorgeous Caribbean Sea. Being off the beaten path, this property is perfect for those who value seclusion. And the heavenly ambience afforded by this property makes it suitable for a host of tourism-related projects, or a retreat. The asking price for this amazing property is $140,000. Don't hesitate. Call the number that is being displayed throughout the video to make an appointment. Also, please remember to subscribe, click the notification bell, and share these properties with family and friends.